Troubleshooting a burning smell from an LG front-load washer. If your LG front-load washer is giving off an electrical or burning rubber smell, this can often be resolved without a technician. Note that it is normal for a new front-load washer to emit odors the first few times it is operated. It may be a burning smell, plastic smell, rubber smell, a fishy odor, or even a warm burning smell. This can be caused by the heating of new motor coils and the insulation material around the motor. Under normal operation, the odors should stop after 10 or 20 full cycles. Visually inspect the bottom of the unit's interior. Some models will have filters that can be removed and cleaned. If there is debris or small rubber items, such as toys trapped in those locations, they will need to be cleaned away to prevent the unit from heating them up. If the electrical or burning rubber smell persists, you may need to request a repair service. Go to lg.com/us/support and visit the Request a Repair page. A technician will be able to check your washer to ensure that nothing is burning due to installation problems or a faulty part. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.